Clean the area of any dirt, oil, or grease and lay the wrap on top of the undercarriage and get a rough estimate where you want to cover. Okay, here I laid the wrap on top of the undercarriage, and this gives you a rough estimate of what part of the undercarriage parts you want to cover with the wrap. Once you determine that, cut it and then peel the backing back and lay it on top, and use a squeegee to smooth out the wrap. Here, use a blow dryer, get it nice and warm, about 30 seconds. Feel it with your hand, just don't burn a hole through it. Just want to get it warm so the glue will start to adhere to the undercarriage. So here it is. I hit it with the blow dryer, and it's probably going to come up on the sharp edges, but right now it's not coming up. It might come up here in the back, but I'm not too worried about that. I can hit it with black tape, and I hit it here just to keep it keep the edges not too sharp, and clean the excess black tape glue. I just use lighter fluid, naphtha. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. Give it some protection anyway. My hands. Please like and subscribe.